Hi, this is RockinRobin. Welcome. You are on RockinRobin's Garage Sale Finds, the YouTube channel that helps resellers make more money. And today, I want to talk about garage selling. I went garage selling and I ran into a place that sells a lot of Disney. Well, this was a garage sale. I'm going to tell you what happened. What happened was I went to a garage sale, and this was on a Friday, and I went to one and there was nothing there. So I said, let's drive around this neighborhood that tends to have them a lot. Well, we saw one and I got very excited and we pulled in, and the guy said, geez, I just put up the signs. We weren't really going to have one. We were going to have one on Saturday, I think. But I put up the signs figuring if anybody was around, they could stop by. We haven't pulled everything out yet. We're all in bags. You can go through them and see what you want. Well, we started finding Disney stuff. Lots of Disney stuff. Vintage Disney stuff that was worth money, and we didn't know it at the time. We just grabbed as many Disney stuff as we could, and we made a pile, and it came to $30. The girl checked us out, she said $30, and we said, okay, fine. You know, we took the little pile, we put it in the car. Well, the next day was Saturday. We went garage sale, and we went to one that was nearby, and we got like one thing, nothing special. And I said, let's just stop by there and see if they pulled out more. Well, let me tell you, they pulled out more. And we went and we made an even bigger pile. And he said $60. And we negotiated to $55. And then I found a couple more things and I added them and I paid another $10 or so. And I grabbed them. Now, when I got home, I was excited because here I am with all this Disney stuff. But I didn't realize some of the worth. We spent a total of $105, and I think I got $600 to $700, maybe $800 worth of stuff. Now, what I'm going to do next is I'm going to show you pictures of them. And I want to tell you, if this is your first time here, we sell on eBay, we sell on Mercari, we sell on Poshmark, we sell on Facebook Marketplace, and we sell at the flea market. Well, some of these items I'm going to keep, some of these items I'm going to sell. You stay with us, you take a look. I'll talk to you about each item, tell you whatever it is that I know, what I think the value is, what it's selling for, how much. I mean, I can't tell you how much I paid, but it was $105. I got a few odds and ends that weren't Disney as well. So you stay with us. We're going to be right back, and I'm going to show you all the items one by one. So let's take a look at some of the things I bought. Well, I bought 2 of these prints. Now, I'm not sure who draw them. This one did not have anything on back that said who did it. It was just like this. The second one, however, this one did, and it also had a price tag, and it said that they purchased it at Disney for $35. Now, I want to keep these, so I can't really say what they're worth, but if this was purchased at Disney and it has all the information on the back like it's showing right here, it probably is worth more now than it was then. So I don't know how much I can say this is valued at. Look, it's looks like it's a limited edition or something series. I don't know. Now, next I got these. Now, this is all, I paid $105. These are selling for about $20 each. I'm not sure if I'm going to sell them individually or as a set. Some of them are more rare and are worth different amount of prices, so I'm going to have to research a little bit more. But those were a good find in that pile. This was Walt Disney's masterpiece Fantasia. When I got it, I wasn't sure what it was. I thought it was a book. Well, it has a lithograph, it has a small book, and it has VCR tapes, but they are opened, and it does have CDs that are not opened. So I don't think it's worth more than $20. I did look it up. Now, this was so cute. I think this is selling for about $35 or $40, and it is a Mickey Mouse. He's sitting on a bench, and he's reading "'Twas the Night Before Christmas." Was very cute, and I got several stockings, Christmas stockings. Most of the stuff I got at Disney were Christmas related. Now, I have not looked this one up. It looks to be vintage. None of these actually have I looked up. I believe some of them could be quite valuable. I don't know. I don't know how valuable. There's some I'm willing to bet that are not valuable. Like this Tigger one is probably not as valuable as some others, but I don't really know. So when it comes to the stockings, I'm going to show you more that I got, but I can't say I know the value of these. I believe I have a Tigger one myself like that. I thought this one was adorable. I'm sure I'm going to be able to sell these, if not now, around Christmas. All the Disney items I got were mostly Christmas related. Look how cute that Tigger is. And of course, I got Winnie. I think I might sell these two as a pair. I'm going to see how that would go, but I think they're cute. I also got Ornament Boxes. Now, I'm not really sure the boxes themselves are worth anything because there's no ornaments in them, but I'm going to show you the boxes anyway, and they're very cute. I'm going to have to look up a little bit more. I wish the ornaments were in there. They're keeping a lot of the ornaments. Some of the ornaments that I bought I did show you. I have more ornaments to come, but they're very cute. There's 3 different ones that I'm showing you. I liked all the designs. I thought, you know, someone's got to be collecting these, and if they took the inside insertions where they have stuff for the ornaments out, even the boxes alone had to be worth something and are definitely usable. Look at adorable Tinkerbell. Very cute boxes. It's funny because I saw these 2 boxes the first day and said, nah, I don't think so. And then on the second day I said, you know, I'm going to take everything Disney I can find. Now the next thing I took, my partner in crime saw it, and I didn't think it was much of anything. It's a wreath with Walt Disney and Friends. But then when I looked it up, they're selling for about $120. I put mine up for $80 because it seems unbelievable, plus shipping. So they're all over the place, and there's some that are Winnie the Pooh. There's different kinds. These are like a cloth and a felt, but they're selling really, really well. So that was nice. Now, at the very end, when I was leaving, I saw this, and I bought this as well. This is a basket with Mickey Mouse on it. Another $30, $35 it's selling for, which is really cute. When I start adding all the stuff up, you're going to start seeing some of these things will add up because it was a big pile. That is really, really cute. I don't know if it's a bread basket or what you want to use it for, but it's a wire basket. This was a picture frame. It has Disney and Friends. It wasn't used on the back. You can see it was brand new. It even, I believe, had a price. And you can see on top of the castle, there's a little Tinkerbell, and she kind of comes out. I don't know if you could tell. But besides that one, I got another picture frame that looks like a mirror, but it's a picture frame. And it has Tinkerbell. See Tinkerbell? I don't know why it's positioned like that. I think she should be on the side, but that's the way the picture frame is. So that's the way I did it. Maybe it just needs to be turned around. But I thought the Tinkerbell was really cute, and it's brass and glass. I also got a little canister set. It was only 3 pieces. I'm going to have to clean this before I put this up. I don't know if I'm going to sell this or if I'm going to keep this. If it's worth something and people want to buy it, I'll sell it. But if it looks like no one's buying, I'll just end up keeping it for myself because it's cute to have around. Now, I also found a board game, which I haven't looked into to make sure it's complete, called Robin Hood. I believe it was in the 1970s. I don't remember if it was 73 or 76. I'm going to have to look this up. Some of these I've looked up. Some I just looked up briefly. And other ones I looked up a lot. I believe this one was about $30 or $40. It wasn't a huge profit, but it definitely was a profit. I also got these this little Mickey Mouse bottle closer. You know, you have a wine bottle or something. You can put this on it, and I'm sure someone will want it. It's in really nice condition, and look at how cute it is. Oh, I love those ears. I also bought some plates. Now, these plates, there's different kinds. Some are almost like platters. The first 2, I believe, are like platters. This is Fa La 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 La, some kind of Winnie and Pooh collection. Another $30. It's selling for about that, $30, $35. There is one of the things that I think is more valuable than the others. And the next one that I found was this one. This one looked almost like a bowl, like a bread basket type bowl. Not quite that deep, but it was round at the edges. It's not a soup bowl, but I'm not sure. So I called it a serving platter. Very, very cute, Christmassy. Another $30. And the last one was a little bit higher. I think it was like 60 or 70. This one is another Walt Disney Gallery. I think it was yeah, like I said, around $50, I believe it was selling for. It's got Tinkerbell, and it's ivory and gold. Now, I also bought a couple sets of ornaments. The first one I got is, look at Disney, Mickey Mouse, and some of his friends. Well, this one is not complete. He is missing a couple of his friends, or just one, I believe, up top, and I believe it's the sign. So I'm not sure how much that one would sell for. Now, the second one is the villains. Now, the villains are selling for $70, $80, $90, and up. Now, these were definitely used. Some of the ones that were brand new that I saw were over $100. These, I'm going to try to get about $70, $75 for these. I think I put them up at $75. See what I can get as an offer. But the whole collection's here, and they're all in good condition. But they are used. But hey, $75. If I get $70, I'm happy. Next, I bought a bunch of flags. This is just one of 3. I got some that were pirates. I got one that was Winnie the Pooh and friends, and I got this one. I don't know these, again, I haven't looked up. Haven't looked up all of these items yet. I'm so excited. I wanted to show you, but the value of it could be $9.99 for all I know. I just know they are cute. Then, not everything I got was Disney. I got these, and when I got them, I know they were animated, that they light up, they just needed batteries. Well, they're Mr. Christmas, and they're $25 to $35 to $45, depending on which one, a piece. I'm going to see if I can get $100 for all 3. I don't know. They're very big, they're very cool, they're very different. So I grabbed that when I saw it, and I wasn't even sure what it was. This is something very unusual. This looks like it was on one of the hotels in Disney, and it's on the other side. It's got a magnet so it sticks. Now, it's not in great shape, but I don't know where they got it. This could be worth something more. Now, what else? I got a Dolphins shirt was included in this lot. You know me, I'm always looking for sports items. Reggie Williams, I don't know. 34, I don't know if this is basketball. It looks like basketball, but the Dolphins are a football team. So, Ricky Williams, I'm not sure. I'm going to look that up. I don't remember who was on the Dolphins, and it's got to be football. Now, then I grabbed these Ipsy bags just because they were cute. Not worth a lot, $9.99. The jersey I have to look up. It is a youth, so it may not be worth that much. My partner loves Chicago. She saw this was a whole Chicago set with a whole bunch of CDs, and a lot of them weren't even open to use. So she says, get that, get that. I don't know if she's going to use it or we're going to end up selling it. I don't know exactly what the value is. Now, one of the last things we got, I didn't show you everything, but these are adorable. These are little boxes, and they open up. I'm trying to figure out who the name is. They could be really valuable. This house had a lot of expensive stuff. The house was on the water. They were expensive. Everything in there was expensive, and these were gorgeous. So we got them. They were included in all that big price. For $105, I think is cheap. And lastly, we got this belt. This is a leather belt. It's new with the tag, and it is from Guy Harvey. Guy Harvey is a big fisherman, especially around here. Everyone seems to love him. So I'm figuring that can go for about $25. I got a couple other miscellaneous. I didn't show you everything. But that was most of the Disney lot, which I thought was exciting, that I got for $105. If you put together all my estimates, it comes out to about $915. I know minus percentage, and I won't get exactly what I want for some of those. Maybe some I'll get more, but $915 is not bad for $105. Well, welcome back. Those are the things we found. If you like our channel, you like learning things about reselling and making more money, or even Disney, you subscribe to our channel. Once you've subscribed, give us a big thumbs up, just like that. And lastly, if you hit the bell, ding, ding, we would appreciate it. So this is RockinRobin. Go out there, find something good, put it up on eBay. Maybe you got something Disney. Go out there and you make yourself some money. See you real soon.